Like a memory inside a memory?
Yes, exactly. Maybe.
Exactly, maybe.
I believe you experienced something similar back at Abstergo, didn't you?
Subject 15 exhibited memory within memory-like patterns, but she was pregnant. The memories of both the fetus's father and mother were competing.
Desmond's not pregnant, at least as far as I can tell. Might just have had a big lunch.
Can you skip ahead to a later memory?
No, it doesn't work.
Well, that sounds familiar. We couldn't access Altair's later memories until Desmond had improved his synchronization.
Then it's possible something similar's occurred here. Ezio's troubled state is being transposed onto Desmond, destabilizing the memory. Either that, or Rebecca's just not a very good engineer.
Thanks, asshole.
What? I'm simply listing possible explanations. And that is amongst the most likely. Touchy.
This place isn't secure. Cell phone surveillance can see right through the walls.
Don't you mean satellite surveillance?
Are you kidding? Abstergo upgraded to cell towers ages ago. The waves go through everything above ground. They're gonna find us.
No, they aren't. Come with me. There's a beam blocking it from the inside. We're not getting in this way.
What's our next move?
The road just loops back into the highway. This is not a good place for us to be right now.
Do we have any tarps? We need to cover up the van.
I really hate to stress this, yeah, but we are running out of time.
Well, help us then, Sean. Do you have any ideas?
I don't know. Maybe there's another way into the sanctuary.
Hey, I think I've got something. Follow me.
Desmond, that was pretty awesome.
It just felt natural. We can get in through here.
Good job.
We'll just wait up here then, shall we? Yeah, all alone, with massive targets painted on our backs?
Ok, ajmo unutra.
Why won't this turn on?
It's great to be out of the Animus.
This isn't exactly my idea of a good time.
Well, let me guess. You're more the in-bed-at-6 type.
What? Desmond? I know how to have fun.
Oh, that's very convincing. Yeah, I'm convinced.
Okay, okay, after we save the world, I'll show you.
Wait, can I get that in writing?
We have light.
Da, trebam reći da trebate očekivati na ovom kanalu u budućnosti.
What was that?
To će biti ono što ćete vidjeti na ovom trenutno što sam napravio novi intro. To jest gameplay. Imam predstaviti title svoje kolekcije para. Na video koje su do sad vidjeli. Biće naravno zbog čega i jesam na kanal da razmotrimo razne apsorde. Apsord ti besmislica.
Don't joke about that.
Gameplay kao sporedna stvari.
We're focusing on the present, okay?
Možda neki review još ubacim tu. To je to. Naravno numizmatika i ovaj. Numizmatika i apsurd će biti prva stvar.
Great, it's stuck.
I can get under there.
Ready? Any chance you can lift that gate?
Not unless you want me to end up like that skeleton.
I'll find a way around.
Ora, idem da se popnemo gore. Pentrace, Desmond Miles.
I can drop into the corridor below through here.
Watch out for bats.
Where?
Dobro.
I meant in case you see any.
Remind me not to make you a lookout.
Dobro, se ovaj put nije sigurno bilo koja komanda.
Desmond?
One more goes.
I'm here, okay? Stay with me.
Did anything fall on you?
No. Is Mother all right?
Desmond, we can't climb this.
How about you give me a boost?
That's a bad idea.
I could throw you into the air and you grab the ledge.
Even worse.
Follow me. How about this?
What are you going to... Nice job.
I aim to please. I wonder how old these tunnels are.
Middle Ages, probably. Luckily, the beams still hold our weight.
After all this time in the Animus, I'm not so sure.
Yeah, I didn't want to say anything, but you're really getting fat.
Ouch.
I even told Rebecca to widen the Animus.
Seriously?
No.
Loše. Idem probati tuda. Ne, tuda. Joj. Probaj pored stuba, tu. Ne. Joj, kako se ne popne se bar. Ajde, proći ovako. Ali morat ćemo s početka. Ja snalazim se baš najbolje s ovim komandama. Idemo sad probati. Opa, loše. Mislim da će izrezati ovaj dio. Ne. Naravno, poslije par sati mučenja, evo nas. Uspjeli smo za par minuta.
Ready.
Idemo dalje.
You know, when I came here last...
When Ezio came here.
Yeah, I meant Ezio.
Shouldn't put you through all this. It's not right.
Hey, all joking aside, I'm having the time of my life. And it's thanks to you.
Just focus on where you're going, okay?
Gdje sad? Gore ili dolje? Dolje.
When did this become my job?
If I pulled all the levers, then what would be left for you?
Nothing.
Nice try.
Ready?
Found a switch!
Something's open.
Vjerojatno... Da.
I'm stuck over here, but I can see a lever across the water.
Great. Ezio gets a bath with Katerina Sforza, and I get a swim in the toilet.
What now? I think this error, but... I want to out. But how? Zazam se, ali malo... Naravno da nije snimat na engleskom, pošto... Evo radim iz ljubav, naravno, ne zbog para. Aha, ok. Ipak nije toliko greška. Da imam što je evo ga. Evo, pritiskam. Press any button. Aha, treba zadržati. Nisam skontao. Ohoho, već mali. Što skače. Dobro, šta sad? Aha. Okay. Ajmo do nje.
Oh man, it's freezing!
Stop whining!
It's easy for you to say. You aren't swimming in medieval toxic waste. Ugh.
Aha, znači planiram da plivam.
I smell terrible.
You're exaggerating.
But no. Aha, gore trebam ići. Dobro. Naravno, vi ćete predložiti šta raditi u budućnosti sa mojim kanalom. Naravno, apsurde očekujem prije svega od vas, pa i igrice koje ću snimati za gameplay. Evo već neko vrijeme igricu snimati prohod, dobro kolen. Pa dok ne dosadi, naravno pare ću snimati dok ne istrošim sve i sve kolekcije, imam dosta toga. Tako da vidit ćemo šta ćemo dalje i kako ćemo.
Okay, release it.
How come you don't have to get wet?
Because you're here,
Charming.
aren't I?
Dobro.
I've got you.
Thanks.
Ali mislim da će ova epizoda biti baš astronomski duga. I ova je prva epizoda trenutno otprilike 42%.
Great, the bridge is out. We can't jump this.
I have an idea. You'll have to help me. Stand at the edge and get ready.
Ready?
Okay.
Made it! Let me see.
Oh, you go on ahead. I'll just stay here to die in the dark with the bats.
Okay.
Jump across.
Nice work.
The bats will be
Ja
disappointed.
volim igrat ovaj PES, ali nisam neki pro igrač. Nešto volim igrat ovaj Become a Legend. Tu i znam nešto.
You'd think these stairs would lead somewhere.
But they don't.
Well, life is full of disappointments.
Opa. Opa. Gdje sad? Aha, ajmo probat gore. Dobro. Aha. Dobro.
I'll wait here.
Good. Let me just go and get that bridge down for you.
I did the last one.
And I'm sure that will be your last one.
Haha, very funny.
Got it!
Šta sad? Aha. Dobro.
Thank you, Desmond.
Da, ja nisam zapamtio kao zavijala moja Franjica. Kako dupe ima, Ekstra. Šta je opet isto, ajde.
Now it's my turn to even the score. There.
Super
Thanks.
malo.
It's a start.
Koliko skoči iznesta? Jebu mater sam.
Do your magic.
Ajmo, silazio. Tako, aha. Ne! Ajde, opet ćemo se ući. Vidite. Preskočit će ovaj tip. Ne. Nije pošteno. Napokon sam prešao i imao sam problema, ja usmjerim u jednu, on skočim na drugu stranu, tako da sam preskočio jedan dio dok nisam pronašao kako. No, stvar sam ja kriv za to. Opa.
Up you go.
Thanks. We make a good team.
Ok, malo. Ajmo.
Come on, Desmond, let's go.
Lijepo. Nadam se da
I can
završiti,
see the
pošto ova
sanctuary.
epizoda se baš odužila. Naravno, još jedna stvar vezana za kanal, pošto je kanal Republika Apsurdista, naravno neke stvari moraju budu apsurdne na njim, tako da očekujte sve i svašta, ali uglavnom ovo što sam nabrojio u toku videa, to očekujte uglavnom da će biti.
Wow.
Mada ni to nije garantovan, pošto sve što radi bit će apsurdno, tako da očekujte svašta.
Ezio must have come back here way after the attack. But why?
Desmond!
Right. Let's open that door.
Try using that special sight you learned from Altair.
There's something here.
Can you open the damn bookcase, Desmond?
You guys did it!
About bloody time. What's that?
Looks like something Ezio left behind. There are numbers underneath it. 1419, 1420, and 1421.
Maybe you should lie down for a bit.
No, it's all right. I'm fine.
Whoa, they really built this place to last. No signs of structural damage, no cell signal either. Should be safe to set up. Let's get the Animus down there.
Okay, everything's good here. Sean, hide the van in town, and make sure you aren't followed.
What? What is that smell?
It's my clothes.
They smell like you swam through a sewer.
It was Lucy's idea.
Wait a second, guys. We need power down here. There's a line running nearby I can hook into, but the wattage is weak.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah. Anything else you two would like? You know, some caviar, perhaps? Maybe you'd like me to knit you a lovely hat? No? Fine, follow me.
Naravno, ako Luka bude gledao ovaj video, znači iznervirao me što kaže za FIFA World Naravno da treba da šteka mene da šteka i tebi da budeš malo solidaran Naravno imamo svi 5000 maraka da damo za računar 5000 eura, čega li već.
Right, look around Monteriggioni for circuit boxes. Rebecca's little doodads, they'll reroute small amounts of electricity to the power line underneath the villa. Don't ask me how they work. If I understood that, I wouldn't be the fella hiding the van.
Ok, mislim da bi ovu epizodu mogu završiti ovdje, pošto se baš otegla. Tako da, zdravo!